utility cart by Hospitality One Source will make hauling boxes, bags, or anything else through difficult hallways so much easier. The perfect option for convention and meeting room properties needing to easily transport meeting materials. Designed for elevator access, this cart features 1.5-inch diameter steel tubing, a steel reinforced undercarriage, and a solid 1-inch plywood deck for lasting strength. The reinforced deck with metal couplings ensure added frame stability. 2 rigid and 2 swivel 5-inch semi-pneumatic wheels make for a smooth ride and easy maneuvering. Featuring stain-resistant carpet, a stainless steel finish, and wraparound non-scuffing bumpers, this cart will stay looking good without damaging walls or doors. The cart ships in one box to save on shipping and warehousing costs. Hospitality One Source, committed to offering the best in quality and customer service.
Any questions? Please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.